can say, man, it's your boy CalebTV, man. We back in the Ville. We in the Ville right now, see what I'm saying? We in the SRT right now. You know. But, you feel me? Finna get nigga. We finna ride around, do some errands and stuff, man. You feel me? Make sure y'all boys stay tuned. Content coming out every day. We in the big SRT. And my stomach hurt right now. I just hit my balls.
Oh, you for real?
Yeah.
Oh.
But man, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming at y'all boys with some crazy content, man. Y'all see we in the big SRT right now. Show the boys the big SRT. So I'm saying, I just cleaned that bit. That bit look dirty. But it's all good though, cause you feel me? You feel me? But you know what I'm saying? These folks probably looking at us like, why we recording? We're YouTubers. Hop in the car, man.
Yes, sir.
Woo!
You gonna stop it?
Nah, you ain't gotta stop it. Hold on, listen, man. You feel me? We gonna run a rundown down. Show these folks how we're really going.
Right, it's too cold for that.
No, it's not. You just weak.
What are you talking about?
We gonna skirt off the parking lot. No, I'm just playing.
It's too dark.
Get the hell out the way.
It's dark.
Sorry, man. But listen, man, we gonna turn y'all back on. We gonna turn y'all on when we get to the, you know what I'm saying? Turn it off, man. We in the traffic, by the way, so I'm saying. Look at this nigga car, bro. He got the Honda Superman Civic on their ass, man. Hold on. See if y'all can pull up a little bit, man. Show y'all boys what the hell. The Instagram, J Money 5. Hold on, keep it recording. Oh, he got a shorty in the car while they watching. Oh, he got Broncos and Superman on the car.
Oh, snap. Y'all see this YouTube? He put her in.
Pull up, man. Pull up. I'm trying to see this.
Oh, he pulling up. He pulling up.
He pulling up 5D. Ooh, that boy got a girl in the car. Feel me? He don't want to race the bitch, though.
Dash. Oh, yeah, they looking mad hard at us. Oh, they saw the camera. She was looking mad.
But listen, man. Make sure y'all follow the Instagram, man. CalebTV, man. We're going to be dropping, giving y'all updates on everything, man. You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? That nigga car trash. I ain't gonna lie.
That is
not
terrible.
With me. You feel me? But we gonna turn y'all boys back on in a minute.
And he got Superman on that jump, boy.
Garbage. So goddamn, we in the Ville right now. We finna. I think they be playing music. We in the Ville right now. We finna go get some lotion, cause you know what I'm saying. We got the motion in the ocean, swimming with the potion. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, I gotta smell good. No walking.
Let me turn it off.
I gotta sit there with that music. Yeah.
They are.
Goddamn, I ain't gonna lie, I'm making me some waves, boy. I got that Jamaican joint. What if we do one of the break? We start breaking.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna do that, bro.
I might give me a little twist. Might give me some free forms.
Wow.
No, we just hot. You talking to me?
Yes.
I mean, like, it's just foot. Listen, man, listen. Trying to get me a wig, you know what I'm saying? She come. How much these cost?
Oh, it's on the back.
A tag?
Yeah.
Oh, we owe $20. Oh, we need.
Where you guys recorded?
Huh?
Where you guys recorded?
I do YouTube, so we just doing a vlog.
Vlogmas?
Yeah.
Why are we gonna buy mama a wig?
What's a good prank to do?
I got no clue.
I'm gay prank. Your girl don't know you. Oh.
Bro, shut up, bro.
These, my boy.
Nah, those don't.
What these?
Them look weird.
12, 11, 13s in one? They got what? Ain't nobody working over here, Max. He in 2022. Oh, they got some mirrors, man. Oh shit. $70. Instead of paying $100, $1,000, you could pay $70.
Look alright.
I ain't gonna lie, this hard though. I ain't gonna lie, I might come back and get this shot. But let's go, man. You feel me? That's good. We indeed.
We still going?
Outside. What?
We still going for more stores.
Well, we're going to Walmart next, man. It's a vlog. Get your little snack out Walmart, man.
With what money?
Hey, bro. The money's on the way. What is our park?
Down there.
The money's on the way. You know what I'm saying? Don't rush the money. Let the money come to you. Maybe I said that backwards, but it don't matter, man. You feel me? We in the field, the good old field. You feel me? Let's take a thumbnail.
He say he'll shoot who the fuck you don't kill. I rock the show, they know that's me. My hit your spot and take all
Out of you, dude. You need to focus. You worried about that little scrunchy, you feel me? You got bills to pay, man.
Oh.
Whole time you not getting this man finna hit that car. I'm finna hop out the car, go.
Bro, just get that man parking spot.
It's handicap.
I killed this dog, he tried to spin. He said just because. We war ready, we spin that block. Draco shut him up. Walk on feet, hop out, I
They be reserved for pickup. Bro, I've been driving around this goddamn parking lot for 30 minutes. Dude asked me, do I need to take the camera in? Bro, it's Vlogmas, bro. You tripping, man. We getting this money, having this fun, getting them bunions. That's what I'm saying. You good, bro? Why you got stains in your shirt, bro? That ain't pee, bro. What are we gonna do in here?
Give me a little snack.
You paying for it?
No, but that's what you said.
Dude.
That's what you said.
Dude, when I say that?
I don't know.
You need to look in the camera.
It has you in it, dude.
Huh?
It has you in it.
All right, but look, man. We just gonna pause it. She bringing on these goddamn bells. There. Oh no, I didn't see these. They got when I came here, they had them all locked up in the cage. I ain't know them going like this. I ain't know that going like this. I ain't even gonna lie to you. If I go to jail, you going to jail with me. You going to juvenile.
Alright.
Tap that booty, huh?
No one's tapping my butt.
Huh?
No one's tapping my butt.
But I did. Shoot, currently right now we in the store. Mom, dudes, I ain't gonna lie, my eyes look a little red. Cause, you know what I'm saying, your boy don't sleep, you feel me? The money don't sleep, so I don't sleep. You know what I'm saying? But,
Shut up.
Don't get in my camera, yo, lemon pigeon head. But, I think I'm gonna conclude the video off at this part, you feel me? Cause we ain't do nothing. I wear a little acorn right here. How was your day today?
Bad.
Why? His girlfriend said she don't even know him. Did you get her in the camera? I'm putting in the video. His feelings was hurt. I could see it in his face. He was trying to cover up with a smile. So okay, I'm gonna put in the video just in case y'all didn't see. But that lets you know these females ain't nothing, man. You feel me? Get to that money, man. Get to that money. Enjoy your life, man. Cause listen, you might. First of all, I'm making a video. You never know, cause it could be your last day, man. Get to it, man. Be grateful that you woke up another day, cause it's people that did it. You feel me? Just be grateful. You can get up and do what you want to do for another day. You feel me? So enjoy it, man. Live in the moment. Live in the present. You feel me? But with that being said, it's your boy CalebTV, man. I'm gonna conclude this video. And I'm out. I don't even know what this title or thumbnail is gonna be, but I better enjoy the video. On side of the world. It's always something, bro. It's always something, bro. Car was goddamn stopped on me in the road, man. Mid traffic too. I was only going like 60 miles an hour too. Sean told me I should, like, I was thinking, like, should I get gas or I should be good? But I looked at the meter and the meter looked like it was straight. Next thing you know, my car just went out type shit. So, let's set a road. Yeah. At the gas station. Got the car to turn on, you feel me? Mom do help me out. But, yeah, bro. My gas meter messed up. So basically it was showing, it was basically halfway, it was basically half a tank, but it was really empty. So that's the problem I'm dealing with the car now. I know I'm giving y'all a little update. But I mean, it's, you know, I think I'm just gonna take it to the shop in the morning. See, can they fix that? I don't know, bro. But that's what we at right now. It's currently like 3 a.m. in the morning, but it's all good though. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys.